Welcome back to The Motivated Investor. In today's video, we're going to dive into the 5 essential steps you need to take to start investing and pave your way towards financial success. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your investment journey, these steps will set you on the right path. So let's get started. Step 1. Set your financial goals. The first step to start investing is setting clear financial goals. Take some time to define what you want to achieve with your investments. Are you aiming for long-term wealth accumulation, saving for a specific milestone, or looking for regular income? Clearly defining your goals will help you make informed decisions throughout your investment journey. Step 2. Assess your risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial before you start investing. Assess how comfortable you are with the possibility of fluctuations in your investments. This will help you determine the right investment vehicles that align with your risk profile, whether it's stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Step 3. Educate yourself. Education plays a vital role in successful investing. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options, financial markets, and investment strategies. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial news sources. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Step 4. Create a budget and save. Before you invest, it's crucial to create a budget and establish a disciplined savings plan. Review your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate a portion of your earnings towards investments. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building wealth over time. Step 5. Choose the right investment vehicle. Now that you have your goals defined, risk tolerance assessed, and knowledge acquired, it's time to choose the right investment vehicle. Consider factors such as liquidity, diversification, and potential returns. Consult with a financial advisor if needed to ensure you make the best choice for your financial goals. Congratulations! You've learned the 5 crucial steps to start investing today. Remember, investing is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. By setting clear goals, understanding your risk tolerance, educating yourself, budgeting, and choosing the right investment vehicles, you're well on your way to financial success. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep investing in your future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here at The Motivated Investor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And remember to hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep investing and stay motivated.